Potato salad. It's about saving a potato and saving the world. Our main ingredients are 1 leftover potato, red onion, and boiled egg. After cutting the red onion and the potato into pieces like that, I combined them in a bowl and thought of using another ingredient, leek, that white portion, which can give the salad that extra fresh kick. This salad is getting more exciting. I chopped the white portion of the leek and added it into the salad bowl. It looks like that now. That's when I thought I could use half of a mango to brighten up the color and the flavor of the salad. Home cooking or preparing our own foods at home can make us become more creative when it comes to the use of ingredients. For example, in this process, I just thought of using that leftover potato and onion and egg that I boiled. But I ended up using much more, like the leek, the mango. For potato salads at home, I usually use mayonnaise, mustard. This time I use also the rest of the shrimp salad. Why not? The last stage would be combining the sliced boiled egg and the salad dressing plus seasoning in the salad bowl. This salad is also good for brunch. Please subscribe. Ciao!